All right, my friends, here's the EXC AMP, and it's kind of in pieces. Matter of fact, I got a little bit more of it in that box there. But I'm going to see if I can bring her back to life and modify her a little bit. I'll be using parts from all different cars, so yeah, let's see what I can do. Okay, I'm pretty excited about this project. What I'm going to do is my amp took a dump. The tranny obviously couldn't hold up to the Max 10 motor that was in there. Max 10 ESC and motor by Hobby Wings. So I needed a better transmission. I wasn't even going to attempt to rebuild that transmission. So I went ahead and got the newer transmission, and it was, you know, Traxxas transmission. It was 119 bucks. Better put my glasses on so I can give you any specs on this thing. It's the all-new Pro Series Magnum 727R. And it comes fully assembled, and it has accessory gears. So it's got 3 extra spur gears plus the one that's in there. So it's got a 76 tooth, 83 tooth, 86 tooth, and a 90 tooth. So I guess a 90 tooth will give you some pretty good speed. It's got a bumper guard that came with it, and it's supposed to be a really strong transmission. Now this is going to be a total Frankenstein because, like I say, I'm going to turn the transmission backwards, have the motor inside, and I don't know how stuff's going to line up or where I'm going to get a battery to fit in this thing, but I'm going to do it somehow, some way. It's not like I can raise a transmission. But we'll get it. Give it a shot. There she be. Okay guys, this is, for me, exciting. I like working on cars, but I really don't have a lot of money to do anything really fancy, but I like modifying and seeing what I can do with them. This is the chassis now. I ended up extending it by about 4 inches. That allowed me to get a 3S battery in there without any trouble at all. Transmission's bolted in. This shock tower is not going to be used. I was just looking at that. I've actually got shock towers coming, Traxxas shock towers. I've got A-arms, and I've got camber links coming. So that'll help out to get this put together better. What else do I got? I moved the servo up on top because I didn't like the way it was just crammed down inside there. It was just really hard to get to, and you had to take everything apart to get to it. I didn't like that. So everything will be accessible, motor will go in, and that's about it. I don't have the parts right now, so I think it'll be close to the end of the week. I'll have a wrap-up video on this to show you how it all went together and give it a little quick run and see how fast it goes, maybe. I don't know, but I'm going to sign off for now, and thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I know some of these videos probably get boring, but hopefully hopefully you learn what fits what. You know, I mean, I was real lucky to be able to get this transmission to fit in here. It wasn't easy. I had to kind of do some thinking. But anyways, I'm signing off. Enough wibble wobble. You guys take care.